The breast prostheses in this image appear as bilateral artifactual opacities. The two circular opacities have a homogeneous radiodensity with sharp borders. The contours of the opacities and their location in the lower thoracic cavity are the typical appearance of cosmetic breast implants. One pitfall to keep in mind is that a unilateral breast implant, such as following mastectomy, can mimic lung infiltration or pathologic process. Now this is a chest X-ray with normal breast tissue. Compare the radiographic appearance of cosmetic breast implants with normal breast tissue.
I hope you found this lecture to be helpful and worth your time. Please feel free and very welcome to leave a comment or suggestion below. And if you like this video, please hit subscribe and check out some of the other videos in this channel.